Hello, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Crystal, and today we're going to make moving caterpillars. Here are the supplies you will need for this craft. You will need some colored copy paper like this, or white paper will work that you can create a pattern or color on, but I like the colored paper. A ruler, scissors, a black marker, and a straw. Now, you're going to take your copy paper and cut it into a 6 by 6 square. Now, we will begin folding our square to make a caterpillar. So the first thing we want to do is match up our corners. Just fold our square in half and make a nice tight crease. Then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold to the middle. Make another real tight crease on the edge, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Match it up in the middle, make a nice crease, so that when I open it up, I have 4 distinct creases where I'm going to cut to make 4 strips that will make 4 caterpillars. Now, I've already done that with some of my green paper, so we're going to actually make a green caterpillar. So taking your strip that you've cut, we're now going to fold this in half, edge to edge, with a real tight crease. Now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to fold to the middle like I did when it was a bigger piece. Good crease on the edge so it makes like a square. Now I'm going to fold that one more time and match up my edges. And put another really good crease in it like that. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of my paper. Bringing it to the middle. Good fold there. And one there as well. So now it looks like a little square with doors. I'm going to fold that in half like a little taco so that it's a small rectangle like this. All of my folds are on the long edges. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut the edges, the short edges, so that they are curved. The paper's a little thick. Just be patient and you can snip and trim as you want to get the curve you want. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. See, there's one side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just something to give our caterpillar a little bit of a round look. And there's the other side. Now when we open it, hopefully we will have the shape of our caterpillar. Ta-da! But we're not finished yet. Now we're going to take our black marker and give our caterpillar some little bitty eyes and a little bitty smile. But now the real fun begins. We are going to make our caterpillar move. Now we're going to take our straw and we are going to gently blow on the back of our caterpillar and help him wiggle across the floor or across the table. and off he goes. And that's how you make your moving caterpillar. So one square of paper will make 4 of them for you. And you can have races with your friends if you want. So have a good time making your caterpillars. Thank you for joining us for Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. If you'd like to do more activities like this, you can find it at Simply Art and Crafts on YouTube.com. And post your caterpillars on social media with the hashtag #ILoveHPL. We would love to see how yours turned out as well. Thank you. Hope to see you next time. Bye.